Hello everyone. Today I would like to tell you a little bit sad story about my new guitar. Yeah, it is relatively new. I bought it because I bought it some 7, 8 months ago, not very long ago, on a website called Gear4Music. Gear4Music. I bought it for about $100. I feel like it's not very expensive. This guitar has a 2-year warranty and a 30 days money back guarantee. And I really like this guitar because it sounds good. The sound quality is really good. And I'm busy of my work, so normally I don't play guitar every day, just sometimes. And I hang the guitar on the wall. One day morning my son rushed to me and screamed, said, Dad, your guitar is broken. I was shocked. What? My guitar is broken? Did it do anything? He said, no, I did nothing. You can check it yourself. Your guitar is broken. Then I rushed to the room. I had the guitar there. I saw this. You see? The bridge of the guitar is completely popped off. Then I realized that the quality of this guitar probably is not so good. You see? That it's so sad that the bridge popped off just several months after I bought it. See? And because I know that I still have warranty, 2 years of warranty. So I tried to contact with a company called Gear4Music. I wrote an email and sent these pictures to them. Said this shouldn't happen. And what do you do? They said, yeah, sorry that this kind of thing happened to you, and we know that you have 2 years of warranty, so you can send the guitar back to us and we'll fix it and send it back to you. And I thought they would do it for free because I still have 2 years of warranty. But they say, sorry, but you have to pay for the transportation. And it's not easy to send a guitar like this. You need a special package, maybe. If it would happen anything by the transportation, they will say it's your fault. And they said I have to pay about $20. About $20 for the transportation, and then they would fix it and send it back to me. Then the one thing is that, like, they said I have to send it outside of Norway. I'm living in Norway. This guitar should be sent to another country for fixing. That means it has to go a long journey for just a simple fix. Then I've never fixed this kind of thing before, so I've learned something on YouTube, because the many people, they have made videos for fixing this kind of thing by guitar. So I feel like it's not that difficult to fix it. So I decided to fix it myself. And I saw many people, they've just used glue and fix it, just fix it on the guitar again. And I feel like if you just use glue, it could popped off again. That's why I feel like I have to find a better way that it can never pop off again. That's why I decided to use a drill. I decided to drill two holes here, and use a screw with a small bolt. A screw with a bolt, and I put a piece of wood exactly same size as the bridge, and put the wood inside the guitar, and drilled two holes here, and fix it with a screw and a bolt. Of course, I have used glue too, and the most important thing for me, I feel like, to use the screw and a bolt, so that it could never pop off again. That's what I did, and you can see after I used glue and the screw, it looks like this now. You can see the two screws there, and I feel like it will never pop off again. This is my way to fix it, but I feel like after I fix it in this way, I feel like the sound of the guitar is not exactly the same like before. It's okay, but the sound quality is not good as before. I don't know, it's because of I have put a piece of wood inside the guitar or something else. Anyway, I feel like I couldn't get my original guitar back, but I still can play. Maybe the sound is not so bad, so let's try with singing a bigger song which you have never heard of. Probably this is the first time for you. Seyreşandu güller bolmesan, kız yigitler izdişandu meyli bolmesan. şemdu meyli olmuşam. Hiçbir kiş nakşa etmez derdi olmuşam. Muhabbet ot yüreknin parakilmişam. Hiçbir kiş nakşa etmez derdi olmuşsa. Muhabbet ot yüreknin parakilmişsa. Sayrışar gülşenlerim. Geldim o yarimde yola karayman. Bulbullar sayrışar gülşenlerim. Geldim o yarimde yolunga karayman. Yar kettim ben kaldım emkin şu cayda. Hoş digen avazın tek yadımda. Yar kettim ben kaldım hemkin bu cayda. Hoş digen avazın mengü yadımda. Not bad, huh? I still can use this guitar, of course. The sound probably is not bad as I felt. Yeah, one thing I want to say that don't buy Gear4Music guitar. I really feel like the quality is not good. The bridge can pop off. Next time maybe other parts, I don't know. So my suggestion is just check, if you can, just check the quality before you buy a guitar. Don't make the exact same mistake as I did. Thank you. Bye.